الدرس الثالث lesson 3. Ahmad says كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي. How many students are there in your class, O Ali? So كم طالبا is how many students, although it's translated as plural. In Arabic you would say كم طالبا. The word طالب is going to be singular and it's going to have فتحة يعني منصوب. في فصلكم, in your classroom, يا علي. So Ali says في فصلنا 14 طالبا. In our class there are 14 students. Here في فصلنا, in our classroom or in our class, the na means our. 14 طالبا. Now he is saying 14 students. The students are male. طالبا. The thing to notice is that the ma'adud طالبا is going to be singular and it's going to be mansoob over here, two fathas. And the adad, the number that you're counting, it'll have two parts. The first part is the 4 and the next one is for the 10. So when you put it together, basically it's 14. The first part is going to be in the opposite gender to the ma'adud. See, because talib is here male, so arba'ata is going to be female. As for ashar, it matches with the ma'adud. So the thing to notice is that the adad is going to be two, we can say two, there are two portions to it. The first portion, or the first part is going to be the opposite gender to the ma'adud, the thing that you're counting. And the second one is going to match with it. So في فصلنا 14 طالبا. In our class there are 14 students and it's referring to male students. Ahmad says الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر. The students in our class are more. So we learn here أكثر, which is what we call as ismu tafdil. This is ismu tafdil. In English we call it superlative form, which is when you compare one thing to another. Bigger, better, more, and the likes. So akthar is from the word kathir. Kathir means a lot. And when you say aktharu in this format as af'alu, then it means more. So the students in our classroom or in our class are more. فيه 19 طالبا. There are 19 students in it. Now again, as we said before, talib is male. So tis'ata, the first part is going to be female and the second one is going to be matching with the ma'adud male. So في 19 طالبا. يا علي ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس. Oh Ali, what is the name of the new student who came yesterday? ما اسم الطالب, what is the name of the talib, the student? الجديد is the صفة for talib. الذي, who, جاء أمس, came yesterday. جاء is the فعل ماضي past tense. أمس means yesterday. Ali says اسمه أسامة. His name is Usama. اسمه, ism is name, the who means his. His name is Usama. So Ahmad says هو طويل جدا. He's very tall. أليس كذلك? Isn't it so? هو is he. طويل, tall. جدا, very. So the word جدا here is a sifa, an adjective to طويل. So that's why it comes after the word طويل. أليس كذلك is an expression, or it's like a question, which means isn't it so? Now this question is negative. That's why أليس is there. Because it is negative, if someone asks this question and you are affirming, you are saying okay to it, yes to it, you shouldn't say na'am. You should say bala. And that is because the question is negative. So Ali says bala huwa طويل جدا. He's very tall. ولكن حامدا أطول منه. But Hamid is taller than him. إنه أطول طالب في فصلنا. He is the tallest student in our class. So here we have the word أطول. أطول, and that is from the word طويل. It is the ismu tafdil, superlative form from طويل. أطول منه, we can say taller than him. We can also use it as أطول طالب. He's the tallest student في فصلنا, in our class. And then he asks ومن أطول طالب في فصلكم, and who is the tallest student in your class? So Ahmad says أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. The tallest student in our class is Ibrahim. أطول طالب, this is مضاف مضاف إليه. The tallest student في فصلنا, in our class, Ibrahim. Ali asks him أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. Is this your notebook, O Ahmad? See the format here. It's not أهذا دفترك. He says أدفترك هذا because of the Hamza. And this format we've seen in the previous lessons. أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. إن خطك جميل جدا. Indeed, your handwriting is very beautiful. Here he uses the word inna. So then the word after it, the mubtada it was supposed to be, it becomes ismu inna. So khattuka becomes khattaka. Inna khattaka جميل, and جميل here is خبر إن مرفوع. جدا, very. So indeed your handwriting is very beautiful, mashallah. Ahmad says شكرا يا علي. Thank you, O Ali. خطي جميل, my handwriting is beautiful. وخطك أجمل, and your handwriting is more beautiful. So جميل is here, and أجمل is the اسم تفضيل of it, more beautiful. Then Ali says من هذا الفتى الذي معك يا أحمد? Who is this young boy who is with you, O Ahmad? كأنه أخوك, it seems as though he is your brother. So من هذا is who's this الفتى, young boy. الفتى means a young boy. So it's someone who's in the teenage area. Like it's not like shab, because we have shab, which is a young man, like one who's become an adult, but he's very young. But al-fata is the one that is before that. Man هذا الفتى الذي, who is معك, with you, ya Ahmad, O Ahmad. كأنه, this كأن is from the sisters of inna. And so what it does is, just like inna, it makes the mubtada into ismu كأن here, in this case, اسم كأن منصوب, and خبر into خبر كأن مرفوع. كأنه here, the اسم كأن is the who here. كأنه أخوك, it seems as though he's your brother, or it looks like he's your brother. So كأن is used for tashbih, like to compare something and to resemble something. Like Ahmad says نعم هو أخي الشقيق. نعم هو أخي الشقيق. It's supposed to be الشقيق here. This is not correct. شقيقي. This should be نعم هو أخي الشقيق, because this is a sifa for أخي. So yes, he is my blood brother. Now شقيق, when you say أخي and he's my brother, it can just mean like, you know, even if he's your friend, you would say like, you know, أخي, like that. But here, when you say الشقيق, this is a sifa for أخي, and that's why they should be ending with the dhamma. This one clarifies that he is my blood brother. He's from my own father and mother. هو أخي الشقيق. So Ali says, أكبر منك هو أم أصغر? Is he elder or younger than you? So أكبر is from the word kabir, and أصغر is from the word صغير. So أكبر منك هو, is he elder than you, أم أصغر, or younger? So Ahmed says هو أصغر مني, he's younger than me, or he's smaller than me. I think younger would be better here. He's younger than me. Ali says في أي مهجع أنت يا أخي? Which dome are you in, O my brother? Mahja means dome, dormitory. So when you're studying in a university and the likes, or you can say like a hostel, or dome is much more of an appropriate word here. Mahja. So Ahmad says أنا في المهجع الخامس. I am in the 5th dome. وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة. It is very far from the university. المهجع الخامس is the 5th dome. The khamis, the word khamis is going to be a sifa for mahja. وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة. It is very far from the university. So then Ali says أنا في المهجع الثامن. I am in the 8th dome. وهو أبعد من مهجعكم. It is further than your dome. So here we have the word أبعد, which is from the word بعيد, is the ism tafdil of بعيد. وهو أبعد من مهجعكم. Then Ahmad asks أيهما أحسن? Which of them are better? أي means which. أيهما, which of them, referring to the mahju al-khamis and mahju al-thamin. أحسن, أحسن is better, from the word Hasan. Ali says al-mahja al-khamisu أحسن. The 5th dome is better. فإن غرفه أوسع. As its rooms are more spacious. أوسع is from the word واسع. واسع means spacious. When you say أوسع, more spacious. ونوافذه أكبر, and its windows are bigger. Nawafid is plural of nafida. Akbar is the ism tafdil of kabir. ومراحيضه أنظف. Its toilets are cleaner. Marahid from the word mirhad. Mirhad is clean. Mirhad is toilet, and marahid is toilets. Anzafu is from the word nadif. Nadif is clean, and anzafu is cleaner, more cleaner. والسرور التي فيه أجمل. And the bed, or the beds actually, not bed, and the beds in it are more beautiful. Surur is the plural of the word sarir. التي فيه, in it, that which is in it. أجمل from the word jamil. Jamil is beautiful, and أجمل means more beautiful.